Today, we're doing an indoor gig at Makati Shangri-La, Manila, setting up lights and sounds together with my sons. We'll be handling the full production of lights and sounds for a 4-piece live band using our Soundcraft UI16 digital mixer. From load-in to setup and sound check, I'll show you how we prepare a clean and reliable sound system for an elegant indoor venue like this. We went straight to the hotel docking area to unload our equipment. The docking area is located along Makati Avenue. Okay na. Hindi, pasok yan. There we go. We're finally in the docking area and ready to unload our equipment. Ano?
Yung mga ganito nakahilo.
Sige mo, tapos. Hoy. Kuha gamit. Ba? Ito muna lahat, Mau. And finally, we're inside the venue. Our call time is 1 p.m. But luckily, it's only 12 noon. But first things first, let's unload all the gear and park the car. After that, it's time to hunt for some lunch before the gig kicks off. We're having lunch here at Buddy's restaurant. The food is really good. It feels just like home-cooked meals. Honestly, we picked this place mainly because it's close to the venue, but it turned out the food is really delicious and worth it. After a quick lunch, we headed straight back to the venue to start setting up. I showed my son how to properly mount the parlet in the light stand. Teaching him makes me really proud because it feels like he actually enjoys what he's doing. I'm happy and it's great to have an extra pair of hands for the next gig. Do you guys do something like this? Feel free to drop a comment down below. And finally, we're almost done with the setup. The band is here too, so it's time to start the sound check.
Meron dyan. Para ano siya? Hindi ko lang alam kung ano ibabaso pero bagong pala sa console. Yung parang ano. Pero yun, ano? Ano ba yun? Parang yung kinyo. Nagising ba? Power level ng PJ.
Afraid of changing because I built my life around you. As time makes you older, children get older, I'm getting older too. So I'll take this up, I'll take it down. On the mountain I turned around, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hill, will the landslide bring me down? And if you see my reflection bring me down, will the landslide bring me down?
Ladies and gentlemen, Alex and Ed.
Right where sleeping, the doors they midnight, with nothing to myself. What a wonderful world. The colors of rainbow to brilliant sky are the words, baby, kiss me. Feel my heart beat so, let me sing forevermore. To make those rainbows in my mind. When I think you smile, want to spend time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try.
And of course, no wedding is complete without an after party. That's it. The gig is officially over. One of the things I enjoyed the most today was being able to set up this gig together with my sons. We worked as a team, had fun, and most importantly, there's that willingness to learn. So in the next gig, we can use what we learned and work even faster. To everyone who watched until the end, thank you so much. We don't ask for much, but if you enjoyed this video, we really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel to help us grow. To everyone who continues to support us, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. That's it for this video. Thank you and God bless.